So hey guys, there's all kinds of different training methods out there, and I'm going to introduce you today with one of my workouts to a method that I have within my 4-week program, and it's called pre-exhaustion. So I have pre-exhaustion exercises in this workout you're going to watch now. You probably never heard of it, and maybe you're doing it and you don't even know you're doing it, but the focus on pre-exhaustion exercises is to actually pre-exhaust a muscle through a single joint movement before you go into a compound movement. And you'll see there's only a couple of them here. It's focusing on calves, quads, lats, and traps. And the trap exercise that I'm going to show you is my favorite. It's the one that put the most growth on my traps. So implement it in your routine. You can do it once or twice a week. And trust me, it seems simple, but you're going to feel that shit. So let's get into the workout, and we'll see you at the end of the video.
You a UK fan now?
I would be.
No, come on
Way
over.
better than LA.
Come over to the Raiders, baby. We love you. You already down in the colors.
I got it.
So there you have it. A muscle building workout. It is going to exhaust your quads. It is going to fry your calves. It's going to grow your traps and grow your lats at the same time. Give it a try. Let me know if you liked it. If you tried it, leave it a comment down below and let me know how it went. If you guys have any questions on the workout, leave a comment down below. I'd be glad to answer it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel because I'll be back for more. This is Dave from Mission to Muscle. We'll talk to you next time.